Here we are on the notes for complex fractions. You should be in your new note packet, Unit 1, Topic C. Very short today, but just a really helpful tool to have in your math toolbox. So the goal of the day is that we are looking for least common multiples, or LCM, all right, in the with the denominators, okay, of these fractions. So we have 4/5 divided by 3/10. So if we look at fifths and tenths, the least common multiple would be 10. So I'm going to multiply both of these by 10 over 1. Remember, multiples would be like, 5, 10, 15, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8. Those are multiples. And then I check for cross division. So this would become a 1. This would become a 2. And then I have 1s on the bottom, which is what I want. So 4 times 2 is 8. Over, and then these cross divide, so I get 1s on the bottom, 3, and that's my answer. Okay, right, because it'd be kind of silly to write 8 over 1 over 3 over 1, that's just 8 over 3, okay? Number 2, here I have 8/9 and 1/3, so my least common multiple would be 9, so I'm going to multiply by 9 over 1 times 9 over 1, cross divide, this becomes a 1 and a 1, so on the top I'd get 8 over. This cross divides 1 and a 3. And again, I get 8 over 3. All right, in the next one, what trips people up sometimes is 7. Oh, how do I write 7 as a fraction? I don't remember. It's 7 over 1. So between 8 and 1, it'd have to be 8. So I'm going to multiply by 8 over 1. So on the top, my 8's cross divide, so I end up with just 5 over, and then 7 times 8 is 56. And now with number 4, I've got these mixed numbers. You do have to change them into improper fractions first. So ideally here I'm looking at 4/3 over 12/5. So now between thirds and fifths, well, let's I gotta think it'd be 15. So times 15 over 1. So on the top we cross divide, we get a 1 and a 5. So 5 times 4 is 20, and then on the bottom we get a 1 and a 3, and 12 times 3 is 36. Now I can still simplify this. You always want to get down as small as you can. So I can divide both of these by 4, and really my final answer would be 5/9. All right, so that's all we're doing for today. This again is like a helpful tool. So really more computation than anything, but that's all we'll do for now, and then you'll do some more practice together in class.